Hey, how's it going? Today's drawing lesson is going to be simple and for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner and you've never drawn anything in your life, this is the perfect place to be. This is going to be step by step and it's going to be short. I try to keep these around the 10-minute mark. All of these are fun, so let's get started and jump right into it.
Alrighty, we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us crewmate as a robot, a robot version. I'm going to be using this, Crayola brand marker. You can use anything you want. Doesn't mean, you have to use this, or you can use anything you want. You also can just chill out and watch it, by the way. You don't have to do it with me, but I do implore you to do it with me. So, curve line here for the, essentially the crewmate's visor. Curve down here, and curve along the bottom. That's more or less the same thing. The parts we're going to get different are the rest of him. So curve up for the forehead. That's pretty close. Curve here for the top of the forehead. I'm going to draw a little mechanical line right here, kind of like where things are built and then put together. Like so. Curve down here for his back. Same thing, another mechanical kind of where essentially the parts come together. Straight down here from the body, and I'm going to curve the bottom here. Pull up a chest plate. Also, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. When you subscribe, it basically gives you the option. So, like, essentially, when you subscribe and click that bell notification, it's going to give you a thumbnail of mine, and you can decide whether you want to watch, that video that day or not. But if you do like, drawing tutorials, and I'm going to do a lot of different stuff on here as well, please subscribe. All right, I like that chest plate look. I'm going to throw maybe another one right here below it. Straight line down. Curve for the bottom of the foot. Line here, bottom of the body. Pull down. Gonna throw the other foot on the other side. Alright. Let's throw his backpack on here. Down, I'm gonna make it like a, it's gonna look a little bit like a battery. So those notches at the top, notches at the bottom. Curve line over here, in, and we're gonna have the joint right here of the knee that's separate. Kind of getting robot-like. Throwing a little bit of dark here right next to it, like there's kind of like an opening. So essentially when you have, like anything within tech next to each other, there's going to be spaces in between, right? And there's spaces, and that shows like some, it'll show dark in there, and it'll make it look more like tech. That's what I did here. I just kind of put some dark here. Put some dark here. Curve line here. There's the body here. And then you're kind of thinking about what else you could do to make it look more tech. Maybe the foot over here. Some sort of division as well. So most people that do these cartoon drawings, like I do here, don't know tech, so it's kind of different. Kind of doing this stuff, kind of merging my knowledge of stuff I did at the movie studio with this stuff. All right, let's go over here. I'm gonna throw a kind of a square over here on this side, just to make it look like, I don't know, it's something, maybe a handle that you grab in order to reach, to work on him. We can throw a couple like what do you call it? Essentially branding things like E101 or something like that. So what would Among Us, maybe? I guess we could just throw like a dash, and it's gonna round the corner, so you won't be able to see it. Okay. Probably more parts here because he's gonna move his head. And his knee, and he'll probably move here at the waist as well. So I need to move around, right? Ready? Over here. Throw a couple of, again, those like kind of factors. Sometimes it'll be like a screw behind this guy, and you'll have to screw it in. So like sometimes those little notches are open in different robot designs. It's good to think about that kind of stuff because it's going to make your design more convincing. I'm going to throw something down the middle here. Down the middle of that head. If you like this, by the way, click the like button. It's definitely going to help me in what else I do in the future. Curve line here up. Put a design on that backpack. Like so. Space there. I like this actually the way it is. Let me see. My marker's kind of drying out. Let's see. Switch to another marker. Pretty good with this. You can throw a kind of shine there. You can overdo the shines. Very similar to that other one I did. You can overdo them to make it look more futuristic-y. Like there's so much reflection going on. Alright. And I'm gonna throw a thicker line around the border like I usually do. Around the outside contour. I think it makes it look more like a sticker. And yeah, so let me know more about your opinions on what you want to see on the channel, and I will totally do it. And I'm here to serve. If you have any drawings you want to show me, you can always show me over on Easy Pictures Instagram as well. So. All right, and that is a robot, basically crewmate from Among Us. Actually, I'm gonna hold out just the that plate there. All right, cool. Talk to you later. I'm Enrique. Say hi to me in the comments section, and I'll say hi back. All right, talk to you soon. Later.